going on, everyone? Welcome to Carlton by Lennar here in Cadence. Now, in this video, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, which is the Plan Fin. So stick around. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go for all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome everyone to Carlton at Cadence by Lennar. Now we're located in Cadence, Henderson. Now if you're unfamiliar with Cadence, Cadence is about 30 minutes east of Las Vegas Airport and Strip. Beautiful master plan community. It is the most affordable master plan community in Las Vegas. The amenities, they're gonna have a Olympic style swimming pool. They have parks. They're gonna have like an outdoor fitness center. They have trails, they have pickleball. So it's an amazing community, great for families. Now, as far as this community goes, they have 5 different floor plans, which I will have on the screen for you. 5 different floor plans. One of them is gonna be a single story. The other are gonna be 2 stories, all ranging from $393,990 all the way up to $437,990. Now, the thing with Lennar, mainly, you're gonna see a lot of spec homes with Lennar, but it really depends when you get into contract, because if you like a model, they're still 3 months away from it being completely built. You could probably still choose like cabinets, flooring, something like that. But yeah, normally the only upgrades that you can do is flooring, cabinets, countertop, and backsplash, okay? So I would say whenever you look at the base price, the final price is not too far off. It's pretty close to the base price because most people just upgrade like flooring or something like that. The community is just opened up, so they still have quite a few homes to go. As far as the HOA is $103 a month, and that's about it. Let's get started with this tour. Welcome to the Fin floor plan. Now the Fin floor plan is 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2.5 baths, 1724 square feet, and the base price is $435,990. Now, this is going to be the largest floor plan in this community. It's nice. It has a balcony in the front. Again, the paver driveways, the desert landscaping is included. Front landscaping is always going to be included. And the backyard, you'll have about a year. It'll be a dirt lot when you move in, but you have about a year to fix the backyard. Well, that's at least the amount of time the HOA will give you. Okay. So welcome in. Now in this community, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. So welcome in, very open. Right here, nice size living room, dining room, kitchen. Okay, also you'll have the stairs that go to the second floor. Now with Lennar, for the most part, what you see is what you get. So the only thing that's, I guess, optional when I walk into a model house like this is the flooring. For example, Lennar, even in their spec homes, when they're making spec homes, they're not going to leave any carpet, but they're going to always upgrade to hard flooring all throughout the first floor. Sometimes they use vinyl plank, sometimes they use tile. Okay, so that's one upgrade they do. Other times they'll, upgrade the countertop. So, or a lot of times they'll just leave a standard. So this is standard. This is pretty nice. So you have this nice white quartz, and then the cabinets as well. So the cabinets, standard is white. I believe this color gray is optional. And then also too, the backsplash. If you want to do your black backsplash, that's optional as well. So also you'll have the GE appliance package in the kitchen. That means all the appliances in the kitchen are included. So you got refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, stovetop, microwave. The only thing that's not included is the washer and dryer. So plenty of cabinets here. And then here's the backyard. Sliding door is locked. I can't get back there. Yeah, if you're curious to know like the average lot sizes in this community, just shoot me a text, give me a call. I'll find that information for you. Okay, yeah, this is definitely, I would say this is my favorite model in this community. I mean, not just because it's the largest, but I mean, it's just I just like the layout. Maybe because it is the largest. So we got the pedestal sink, toilet. We also have some storage space here. You know, Lennar, they're pretty good about utilizing the space under the stairs. Okay, so you're always gonna have these 5-panel interior doors, which is nice. It's modern. Stainless steel undermount sink, that's included. This faucet is included. Okay, you'll get this as well. And I believe their water partner is Connecticut. So if you move in the house, they'll replace your filter. For the first time will be free. But if you want them to service that, then you know, you will have to pay them. Okay, so let's head upstairs. Now, just a reminder, if you guys are interested in new construction and you know you've been watching these videos and you're really curious to check out a community, you know, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd be glad to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're already working with a realtor, that's okay too. Make sure they go with you on your very first visit. You just want to avoid going by yourself, because if you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to get your name, phone number, and email. Once they get that, then they won't let you have representation down the road. And you definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest, but we look after your best interest. So, you know, we're always trying to negotiate for you. We hold the builders accountable. We'll walk you through the process. So it's definitely a good idea to get representation. So this is nice. This is the, oh, okay, gotcha. So yeah, so this is the guest bedroom, actually. And then it looks like, okay. No, wait, hold on. Yes, this is the guest bed. Oh, okay, that connects to the Jack and Jill, that's right. I was like, wait a minute, this is not the primary, is it? It looks like it has a walk-in closet and a primary bath. Okay, so you have your dual sinks. Okay. Got your cabinets. Got your shower tub, fiberglass. So you have a nice little window right here. Welcome to the other bedroom. You know, I feel like this bedroom's a little bit more spacious. Again, you have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor and the second floor. So here's your walk-in closet. Okay, laundry room. Yeah, the washer and dryer are not included. And you also have your attic access up there. Now, in case that you wanted to put ceiling fans on all the rooms, you can do that. You just have to switch out the light and you put a ceiling fan with a light. So this is the primary bedroom. King size bed. You do have a balcony. Again, this faces the front of the house. Right here, you're gonna have a walk-in closet. Very spacious walk-in closet, as you can see. Let's see if I go outside. Oh, it's locked. Okay, so we got your shower tub. Not a shower tub, just a walk-in shower. Dual sinks. And this is the standard quartz material in the bathroom. You know, Lennar will spec a lot of their homes with that material, so they'll keep the cost down. So you got your toilet room right there. All right, yeah, and that wraps it up for the fin floor plan. Let me know what question you guys have. Again, curious to know what the incentives are. Just give me a call, shoot me a text. But yeah, until then, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys next time.